So I arrived super early on time so I could avoid the lines, and I guess there's no lines for the guest artists. Just got my wristband, checking it out. Picked up my artist wristband, camping pass, you know, tickets. We're ready for a good time, baby. Holy crap, man. Thank you all for this. Yeah, mine's bigger for sure. For sure. Bro, the person that throws this event has a 4Runner, dude. Gotta hit the 4x, you know what I'm saying? Watch it get stuck.
Take that dog.
No, he's sleeping.
Take that dog.
The stage right there. So when that ends, they're all gonna come and rock out. Let me show you guys my campsite for Coachella. I'll be your DJ for Friday and Sunday at the campgrounds. So let me show you the outside first. Whoa. Just a little setup next to the bros. So I got chairs, a little cooler, snacks. I had pizza, it's pretty fire. Oh, this actually changes lights too, the color. Whoa. Depends what the mood's for. Got my little fan. Israel asleep right here. Got my shower. All right. We're good to go. So I ended up closing it. I don't trust these wings, bro. So that's what my shower looks like. People keep asking how do I use it. I fill the bag, put the shower right there, fill the bag up, turn it on, throw that in there. And all I do is just, boom, shower. It's like 30 bucks on Amazon. Alright, so I woke up to do my 5K walk this morning and it was dope. I guess people are just waking up today because the line is starting to get huge. Check it out, check it out. I think it's like 10 bucks too to shower. So you gotta wait on that line to go shower. Johnny, la gente está loca, ¿cómo dice? So this was my workstation every morning. Worked on my music. And remember my other video how I said, for those that watched it, how I got shot at a house party? Well, if it wasn't for my cousin Thun Thun, what up, cuz? Who knows what would have happened to me that night? Because, you know. Anywho, why I mentioned him is because I'd call him every day, every morning, showing him tracks. Like, hey, how does this sound? How does that sound? And he'd tell me, don't play it, or do this, do that. He's still in the game. People don't know it, but you know, quick little shout out. In case I get lost. Yep, 7. So got me a poke burrito, strawberry horchata. Let me tell you about the strawberry horchata though. Oh my god. Oh, too much. Too much.
So it's like pretty crucial.
Who else but? Woo! Fuck! I think my credit score just went up. Chill, fool, chill. Cálmate, güey, cálmate. Puta madre, I was trying to throw a fade. I've been waiting my whole life for this right here. It's elementary school. Fucking Carmen San Diego thinks she's slick. Carmen! Carmen! Laid back.
With my mind on my money and my money.
Get crazy, baby. Let's go, bye-bye! So I just left the festival. Going back to my camping site if I can find it. Gonna work on music and take a nap. And it's crazy, bro. All this stuff and alcohol-free, dog. Not just to say it, but see, I'm just crazy naturally, bro. Story time. So I took the nap, and as soon as I got up, started throwing up out of nowhere, randomly. I guess Eminem, that song, It's Right, man. Started throwing up, Mom Spaghetti. I was nervous, and I didn't even change. I just showered real quick, went in a t-shirt and shorts. What's up, brother? What's up, brother? Cha-cha-cha.